Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my yellow rice. So what you're going to need is some mixed vegetables, and you also going to need some salt, just pretty much what I normally use. The only difference is I'm using some Goya seasoning here. That's how I'm going to get my rice to look yellow actually. I have some extra virgin olive oil, I have adobo, I have some Creole seasoning, and I also have my epis. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I always use this, and I'm using Uncle Ben parboiled rice, and of course a pot to cook this in. So let's get started. Alright, so once your pot is hot, go ahead and add your oil and add a little bit of epis. Once it gets brown, go ahead and add your mixed vegetables in. And then you're just gonna stir it up a little bit and let it cook some, not too much, just about a good 2 minutes or so. And then we're going to add water. I added about 4 cups of water here. Alright, so now that my water is in, I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices in next. It really doesn't matter what order this goes in, just get it in there. And I only added 1 packet of that Goya seasoning. If you add more than that, you're not gonna have yellow rice, you're going to have orange rice. Now that my water is boiling, I went ahead and add my rice in, and then you want to stir it. Like I keep saying, guys, the key to having the perfect rice without using a rice cooker is to have the perfect ratio. If you're going to cook 3 cups of rice, you need 2 cups of water, and so forth and so on. So right now I'm just making sure that it's not sticking together. Now that I know that it's not sticking together, I'm just adding a little bit more spices here. I went and tasted and I felt like it needed more, so I'm just adding a little bit more. And then I'm adding butter, which is optional. I added a tablespoon of butter, and I'm also going to add a habanero pepper, and I'm gonna let it simmer until the water is evaporated, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so once the water is evaporated, I'm going to grab my saran wrap. I'm going to steam this for about 3 minutes, and it'll be done. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye!